There are ordinary ovens and extraordinary ovens. This oven with vintage look fits any interior. Its 13-liter capacity makes it a compact oven, but it's big enough for, say, pizzas from the supermarket. However, it's also big enough for cakes and oven rolls too. And the oven features heating elements at the bottom as well as at the top and can be adjusted with the controllers. The cool wall technology provides extra isolation, preventing the exterior from overheating. And additionally, it comes with a removable crumb drawer and is available in different colors. This retro oven is totally hot, and I'm off to eat my pizza. Catch you later.